If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. A person who can use both hands equally well. Ambidextrous. A person who does not believe in God. Atheist. A speech delivered without preparation. Extempore. One who walks in sleep. Somnambulist. A person who lost books. Bibliophile. A government by the wealthy. Plutocracy. One who studies the human mind. Psychologist. A speech made without preparation. Impromptu. An instrument for measuring temperature. Thermometer. A word opposite in meaning. Antonym. A person who is out to destroy the government. Anarchist. One who is all-powerful. Omnipotent. A person who compiles dictionaries. Lexicographer. A disease affecting many people at the same time in a locality. Epidemic. One who offers his services of his own free will. Volunteer. A place where birds are kept. Ivory. A person who never takes alcoholic drinks. Teetotaler. One who believes in fate. Fatalist. A person who loves mankind. Philanthropist. A person who studies the stars. Astronomer. A specialist in the study of skin. Dermatologist. A person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. Astronaut. A person who travels to a sacred place as an act of religious devotion. Pilgrim.